Good morning. Today we're going to talk about some irregular verbs, more irregular verbs. So let's see. We have become, became, become, bite, bit, bitten, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken. Here's some examples. Yes, I became a teacher. 10 years ago. A dog bit me when I was a child. The wind blew the leaves onto my yard. When I was 7 years old, I broke my shoulder. So here's some examples. Hopefully that helps. Anyways, please check what those words mean. Have a good day.